Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can send a text in money.com to your colleagues or your customers. So all you have to do is to open the board in which you want to send the text, and then you have to press these three dots called options on the top, and you have to press this button that says discussion. Here you can have a discussion with your clients or your colleagues inside money.com. So you can write a discussion using email, or you can discuss right here inside money.com. So in order to create a message, just press this button that says write an update, and here you can type any message that you like. And once you type the message, just press this update button, and as you can see, this message has now been sent to everybody in this board. So it will be sent to my colleagues, it will be sent to my customers, and what they can do is they can either like my message or they can reply to my message. So I write something to my customer, they can view it inside money.com, and they can send me a message in reply. So this is how you send a message or a chat using money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.